Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and in this video I will show you how you guys can add any image or any text from Google to your notes using Note Shelf. So let me open the Note Shelf first. It is a note taking app guys, so you can quickly create any note. You can see there is a plus sign over here, so just I select this plus sign, and then you see there is an option of quick create. So I just select this option of quick create. It will quickly create notes for me. So you can see here there is a page over here, and I can also make it bigger like this. And then I can also start writing. If you want to write anything, you can write anything over here and you can do all your work. So now I want to add image from Google into my notes. So simply what you have to do, you have to just scroll it like this, and you see there is this bar comes in front of you. Once this bar comes, you will see a small slide over here will also come. You can see over here there is a small slide come over here, so you just have to drag it like this. It will come out like that. Okay guys, so the next step what you have to do, you have to go for the Samsung internet guys. Always go for Samsung internet with this icon, and then you can drag it like that, and then you can drop it here on the side of the screen, in the middle, top, down, or on the left, because S6 Lite gives you the ability of multitasking guys. So I just drop it over here. Okay guys, so you can see it over here. There are two windows currently. Okay, I can use both windows. So first of all, what I will do, I will search on the Google any image you want to select. For example, I select heart anatomy, so it will give me different images. Okay guys, so I select this heart anatomy, and you see there are different options come over here. If I go into the images from here, so it gives me more option. You can see it over here. There are a lot of options that I can select guys. Okay, so for example, you like this image and you want this image into your notes, and you want to write something about this image. So what you can do is simply use your S Pen, just put it on top for like 2 seconds like this, and then you can drag it like this guys. You can see here I am dragging this image of heart, and then I can put it over here. Okay guys, so I will put it over here. So you can see here the image come over here, and then I can close this one. If you want to close, you can also close. If you want to use it, you can leave it like this. So what I will do now, I make it a little bigger. So I just put my finger on top, and then it gives me the ability to make it big size. So I will make it bigger like that. Okay guys, and then you can see, so now you see the picture is big now. And the other thing, other important thing, if you want to change the position of this picture, you can also change the position like this. Okay, and the other thing that if you want some text, okay guys, so I go back from here, and then so you can see there are different articles also came over here related to heart anatomy. So for example, I open some random article or some random website, for example like this one, and I like some text from here that I want into my notes. So I can do this as well using the same technique. So what I will do, I select this one. Okay, so I select this area, whichever paragraph or whichever line I want to put into my notes. So once you do it, so you just do this copy option. Once you select it, just copy it. Okay guys, so I just now copy. So now from here my work is finished, so I will just close it. Okay, like this. So now my notes are over here, and now I want to put my text over here. So what I will do now, I will go here in the T option. Okay, you just see the T option, text option. I just go over here, and then if you want to write something, it will bring out the keyboard, and I just put my S Pen. I use S Pen. I change the location where I want to write, so I just put it like this. Okay, and then I just tap on with my S Pen like this, and it opens a small vapor like blue color dot in the downside. So I use this dot. Okay, and then I put it, you can see the option here, paste clipboard and paste as plain text. So I will do the paste. Okay, so you can see here the text now came into this position. I can also make it like this. If I want to increase the size, I can also increase the size of the text that I copy from using this plus icon. I can also change the style of the text. For example, if I want this style or this style, so there are a lot of styles I can do. Okay guys, and I can also change the position of the text using this icon, these three icons over here. So, and I can also make it bold, italic, and I can also change the colors. For example, I want green color. Okay, so I just select green color as well. Okay, I can make it bold. Okay guys, and if you want to edit this one, you can also edit it with your keyboard guys. You can see here, you can edit from here. So there is a lot of things that you can do guys. So you can see here, now I edit it as well. So now I go back and you can see, so the image is over here, okay, and my text is over here. And then if I want to write something, I can also write it using my S Pen. Okay guys, I can also write it using my S Pen. I can also write on the image as well. You can see here, I can also write on the image as well. The other thing that you can do is, if you want to edit this image in your notes, you can also edit it guys. Just tap on this picture, okay, and then you can see there is an edit option. So once you go into the edit option, it will bring you to a new window where you can do the editing. For example, you want to erase something, use this eraser, and then you can erase. For example, you want to erase these text from here, you can also erase it. Okay guys, okay, so you can also erase it, you can see over here. And then once you're done, just click done over here, and then it will go it like that. So that you can do a lot of things over here. The other thing that you want to do it, for example, from your notes, you want to make a screenshot of some certain area, so you can also do it. The note shell gives you the ability to make a screenshot. Simply what you have to do, you have to go over here, this selection tool, just select this selection tool, and then select the area which you want to take the screenshot. For example, I want to select this area for my screenshot. You can see over here. Okay, so you can see over here, it's giving me the first option of screenshot. So I select this screenshot option. So once I select, you can see it bring me a new window over here, and then from here I can share it into any of the platform, into any app that you want to share. There are a lot of option. It will give wherever you want, Facebook, Gmail, wherever you want, you can share that certain text guys. So this is really helpful guys for your note taking, as well as if you want to share something from your notes guys. So guys, this is for today, and I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.